So guys, today we're gonna play some Cuphead with Matt Dale. So we found the secret coin, guys, and we both bought coffee, so that's what we're gonna have equipped. And let's just go in and fight this boss now, shall we?
Let's go.
Let's go. Boss, you're dead. You're dead, bro. You're dead to us. No.
We both.
How do we both? Like, it's usually like one of us. Take that. Alright, so we know what's the first attack he's gonna do. We're going stay in there, stay right, and if you see on the side, then I won't attack. God, how is he even doing that? I hate us moving. Alright, I'll try parry it. Come on!
What?
I got hit by parry it. I did parry it, so it's... Da na 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 na. God, I thought it was Cuphead. How about just stay tiny on this stage?
Where's the bitch do? Nuke.
Double nuke. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh, get me! Ah! No! Oh, brother never leaves a brother behind!
So
No.
why did he go for you, though?
Yeah.
I shouldn't have went for you.
I'm just getting real up. Oh my gosh. I'm actually cracked out. Oh my.
You're cracked out, even though you're standing still, but okay.
Oh my gosh, I'm not cracked.
And you just took damage?
And you just took damage. So how about that? Take that, sir.
No.
It's fine, bro. Just join in and we can start blasting his boss together.
Ding, ding, ding.
Take that, sir. Do you know what coffee does? It actually doesn't make your thing go 2 times faster. It just does it without you even shooting it. Oh God, no, God. Oh my gosh, are you serious? It didn't work. It doesn't work. Dude, I sacrificed one for the team.
I'm winning this for Christian.
Oh, you got it, bro. You're winning this for me.
Bro, it's so easy.
I love how you're like, it's so
I was gonna say it's so easy to parry that little thing. Oh, come here.
Come
Die,
over
die.
here.
Okay, use all of our maximum damage.
Maximum firepower. Take that. Oh.
Die.
No, you never leave a brother behind.
Die.
Oh, the second you died, I came back right in time, baby. Murder his children. I don't care about his children. That sounds messed up. No! Mateo, I really love to chug with
my
you.
arm on, I come to play.
Bombs. Take that.
Ooh.
Take the bombs. Take the bombs, baby. Take the bombs to the face, you nerd.
God, I didn't even parry it. What did you do this, Joey?
Mac, he's almost down. He's almost down. He got
Oh
it
my god.
almost down.
Revive me!
What should I do?
I'll respawn myself. I'll respawn myself.
Dude.
Never mind, never mind, never mind, never mind.
Dude! Dude! That took him forever. I was like, dude.
Right.
Oh my gosh, I was just saying glitchy. I gotta go real close and personal with him, so I can start blasting. Then I start blasting. I'm gonna stay like right here to the side and just follow wherever he's going. And then I really pay attention for this. It's only 3 bullets. Oh my gosh. No, it's actually harder in simpler modes. The eggs. Know how he throws an egg for one of his attacks? It's actually harder in simple mode because they go up and down instead of to the corner and front. Holy cow! I have a super, but I don't. But no, don't take us on for the team. No, dude! Ah! No, bro, are you serious, bro? This guy's so difficult.
No, Jimmy the Great is way easier than this. Wait, Christian,
What?
if we could get a wish.
Yeah, we could, but but you have to defeat Jimmy the Great, then you can get your wish.
You do?
Yeah.
Oh, we never knew that before.
No, it's funny. So if you actually get the wish, and if your wish is activated to defeat, and you're fighting Grimmy the Grouton, he'll say it even with he has a different line. It's something with like even if you have a wish, you still like can't defeat me, or something like that. I'm not blasting. How about this? I just stay small and do nothing, and I try to avoid as much as possible, and you go like full damage.
Yeah, okay, this is our first time being in the third phase together.
Yeah, together. You've been by
I am wearing.
God. Okay, what should I do?
Oh, remove me.
Yeah, go. I'm just gonna try stay low, small. Stay low, small. Get that parry.
Yeah, parry.
Get that parry because I'm absolutely cracked out. I'm just going to be moving side to side. In the bottom of the screen, so it'll be easier to get me.
Wait, what?
Oh! Just stay down here. Make sure nothing gets you. I clicked A! That A was like the final, was determining if I will live or die.
We're back in here.
We're back in, baby. Oh god, I'm already at 1 HP. Yeah, we're both at 1 HP at the first phase. It was even like 2 seconds.
Well, our job is to keep all of our health for the.
You just keep going. Just maximum damage. Matthew, just go maximum damage, okay?
Okay.
And I just stay in a corner and do nothing. Because I'll just revive you every single time you die, so just go maximum damage, okay? Just go for damage.
Well, how about that?
You honestly, I see you. I didn't see you for
I'm
a
like,
second.
nope, bye. I'm out of here, bro. I'm like, get me out of here.
Champas.
This whole actually is not a strategy in simple mode. Because simple mode, they go like, holy cow.
Go back to your little corner.
My little corner of happiness. Holy!
Did he hit you?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I'm just gonna look at the bird Benny suddenly.
Oh, I'm not. Remove me.
Yeah, that's gonna remove. Sorry! Myself in the...
This is forever
Look
because
at
you're
the
not
bird
helping.
and wait until if he does. Because I think the only attack is if the little mini birds. I'm swinking. I'm just staying in the corner, having a good old time. This is the difficult phase. This is the difficult phase for me because I just stay small. I could blast here. I can blast in here. Like really, I could get blast. This is probably like no. Oh god. I have 1 HP. Alright, you gotta go lightning fast, okay?
Okay.
Okay, you went lightning fast. Shoot, what do I do? Oh, no. I don't care how long it's gonna. No. Oh wait, that actually wasn't a bad strategy though, right?
No. Okay, keep on doing what you're doing.
Alright, so it's really just look at the bird. I just need to pay attention on that bird and make sure that he doesn't. No, retry. He somehow was able to hit me. No, that isn't allowed. Alright, just look at the bird. Oh God, how did I survive that? Look at the bird. Make sure he's not blasting eggs like in those directions.
Okay.
Well, I got it. Avoided it. How does he know where I am? I'm like in the best hiding spot like ever. How would you ever know where I am?
No, they revive.
I'm just hoping that nothing bad happens to me. I'm just in my little corner. I'm vibing. Is he really gonna mess me up? I'm just vibing. We're doing the most uncool strategy possible. Oh, this is the part that I actually have to focus in. Oh shoot. This is where all the HP goes into.
Yeah.
Take a gun of these! Take a load of these guns, baby! Be stuffed in a corner. It's all just move this way. Okay, bam. Get this out of here. Let's go. And I have a bomb for this little person.
Yeah. Good.
Bomb. Get in and get out. It's get in and get out strategy. Hide in this corner. He phaser blasts Mateo. He uses a phaser blast on Mateo. He tries to phaser blast me, but I'm too good.
Ooh, you already took half of his health, so really, I'm dead.
Just gotta go fast, okay? But when you said fast, you did. Oh my gosh, the ghost is still there. We could have got two of you.
We could have gotten my ghost.
Yeah, if you go fast enough. Oh my gosh, I almost had to actually work. Oh my gosh! Oh, got me! Let go! You downloaded for the champions.
Yes, the champions.
No, then I begin. Oh my gosh! Mateo is actually cracked out.
Oh no!
Hope that hit.
I didn't hit. That's the hit. I didn't
Holy
hit.
cow! How close? Oh!
I revive you, bro. I revive you.
Okay, just since I haven't lost any time. Oh, wait, fast.
Okay, quick.
Okay. Strength right in time. Get in.
Hey,
Oh my gosh.
no one
I'm just
hurts
gonna stay
Christian.
small plane. Small plane mode. Oh my gosh. This is actually the most intense battle.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, could this little baby die? There's barely any health,
Oh my God.
but you could like do like super little damage to him each time. No, I'm gonna go to bomb mode and I could yeah, finally! Get this little guy out of here. He's
hate him.
still alive. Some flippin' way.
Oh, it's not gonna do anything.
Alright. Oh no! That's it. Oh no! Oh, I can stay down here and do damage right here. Oh my gosh. Oh no. I'm dead. Oh, get me. Good. Let's go. Fast as the flash. Oh, just stay small. Don't move. You guys move.
You're dead.
I'm not dead. Look at me. I'm built
How are you
different.
not
I
dead?
told you. I'm built. Oh, I'm a need for you. Yeah, fine. How I show you how great I am. Knockout.
Hey,
Let's go, baby. Oh my god.
oh.
Finally, we won.
A B- sucks.
It does, really. It really does. And we already beat it though. Finally, another soul.
Okay, guys, I think
Yeah.
that's gonna end the video. So, guys, remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in another video.
Yeah, bye and peace.